Hey, I'm Roxanne.
I'm Cynthia, and today we are going to show you how to use finishing touch in a ponytail. So what I prefer to do is I like to twist my product. I know some people like to actually pump their product, which is totally fine. You can pump our product. It will put air in it, but it's not harmful. It won't dry it out or anything like that. I prefer to twist only because it puts enough product, it coats it evenly and enough product where I'm satisfied with it. So I'm going to twist. Can you guys see okay? Okay. And you're just going to brush it in. Sometimes if you get back towards the ponytail, like Miss Roxanne here, she kind of has these kind of weird flyaways. You're going to want to twist the product and twist the brush and it will kind of stay. To kind of get those flyaways in. Baby hairs are always a problem. If they become a nuisance, you can get in there with your fingers and just kind of rub them between your fingers. And get those little guys sticking down. So sometimes we get those little baby hairs throughout. So in order to smooth those, start at the front, brush it all the way back, and you roll it out. And those baby hairs lay flat. So for our back baby hairs, we do the same thing. We take it from the bottom and you just brush it up. Kind of got to twist it out. And then brush. And then brush. And you're ready to go.
Awesome.